In total quality management, we have point of view for challenges for the businesses. इस डायग्राम में आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो the company can survive the fierce competitions if paid attention to plan, achieve, maintain and improve quality consistently to meet the new challenges. कंपनी को न्यू challenges फेस करने होते हैं, इसी बारे में हम लोग यहाँ पर डिस्कस कर रहे हैं challenges of the business. This is a business and this is a technical innovation. This one is the target, that is your customer satisfaction, to produce quality goods or to render services to the highest level to satisfaction of the customer. They have a target, that is your customer satisfaction. Their customer satisfaction to produce good quality products or to be rendered services or the highest level of the satisfaction of the customer. Their first is that is your environmental concern, national and international economics level, and they have a cost of management. First, that is environmental concern, national and international economics, cost of management, national and international legislations, interest of the shareholders, and also a national and international competitions and staff acceptations. ये सारी चीज़ें जो होती है वो बिजनेस से अटैचमेंट है, इन्वायरमेंटल कंसर्न होना, नेशनल इंटरनेशनल इकोनॉमिक्स लॉज के रूल्स ऑफ रेगुलेशंस, शेयर होल्डर्स एंड नेशनल लेवल पे जो और इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे कंपटीशन, कॉस्ट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट और स्टाफ एक्सेप्टेशंस एंड टेक्निकल इनोवेशन. बात करते हैं प्रॉपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग की. तो प्रॉपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ कॉस्ट of rejection, scrap, rework, or warranty claims can lead to identification of problems or quality improvement projects or substantial benefits due to the improved productivity or profitability. Managers at highest level should involve themselves to formulate policies and programs on quality, allocated needed resources, review progress and recognize efforts of individuals and teams. They should give due attention of to quality. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं तेरा हुआ attention to the quality. साथ ही साथ awareness create करना amongst all the employees. साथ ही साथ determine करना है training needs to the various aspects और stabilize करना priorities for quality improvement project. तो ये important है हमारे लिए कि quality improvement project पे हम लोग ध्यान दें. इसके लिए हमें क्वालिटी पे ध्यान देना पड़ेगा, अवेयरनेस पे करना होगा सभी एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए को, और साथ ही साथ जो ट्रेनिंग नीड्स है वेरियस वेरियस एस्पेक्ट्स के लिए वो हमें उसको प्रायोरिटी देना होगा. आगे बात करते हैं मैनेजमेंट रोल्स एंड फंक्शंस have become the more defined while top management is concerned with profitability. चाहिए, ग्रोथ चाहिए, resource generations or management proper. Middle management is on control of operations, resource utilization, earning, productivity and cost reduction. Concept और technique of total quality control और उसकी जो philosophies हैं of quality circles, as well as do it right first time, every time, reflects on an integral approach to quality management and involves all the departments at all levels and all categories of the staffs. Commitments करना top management का with the help in developing or implementing करना quality improvement programs and projects. And then अब further आगे बात करते हैं जो quality management है has moved away from inspections oriented approach, that is your appraisal, to prevention oriented approach. Quality management aspects covers aspects of technology, statistical process यानी SPC या quality assurance system, as well as as techniques for identification of problems and problem solving technique होना must है company wide uh, company wide quality और creativity यानी CQC CWQC, that is your CW CW फिर आवा CWQC, that is stands for company wide quality and creativity. C for company, W for wide, Q for quality, and C for creativity. And there are further, that is TQC, that is TQC for total quality control, presents a new concept of quality. So we have discussed what are the challenges for the business. This is the environmental concerns, साथ ही साथ national और international economics, cost of management also, and national international legislation, interest of the shareholders, national international competition, staff acceptation, technical innovation. These are the goal for their customer satisfaction.